this for the first time, do consider subscribing to our YouTube channel if you like our videos. So as you know from the title, today I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks how you can look stylish and also be comfortable without wearing short clothes or revealing clothes. So as you know, अभी समर का सीजन आ गया है, तो अभी बहुत गर्मी होता है, तो यस सब लड़कियां शॉर्ट क्लोथ्स में इतनी कंफर्टेबल नहीं फील करती है ड्यू टू वेरियस रीजंस इट कैन बी. सो टुडे आई एम हियर विद अ वीडियो which might be little helpful for you guys if you want to look stylish and amazing at the same time without wearing short clothes. So if you're interested in this video, keep on watching this video till the end. So for the first look, I have paired my one string top with my shrug. You can also pair this look with your shirt or your shrug, as everyone is not comfortable wearing one string top outside. And always combine solid colored tops with some florals to give a more chic look. And trust me guys, this look looks amazing. You just need to pair it up with your bag and some jewelries and your watch and you're good to go. And so to give this look some chic look, I have paired it with my golden dainty jewelry. You also can pair it with any jewelry as it gives you a more chic and elegant look. For the next look, I have paired my one string dress with a t-shirt. So for this look, I am wearing the same neck piece and I have paired it up with my watch and my sneakers. I personally love this style as you can feel comfortable all day, and yes, you can roam around wearing this dress as you don't need to worry about anything as none of your skin is shown. So yes, this you can try this look guys. And yeah, for summer it is very appropriate as you won't be feeling hot, and yeah, it gives a very cool and chic look. This kind of dresses are very comfortable to wear for summers as you can wear this dress all day as it gives a very easy breezy kind of feeling. And I really like this look as it gives a very girly kind of vibe. So for the next look, I have paired my midi skirt with my top. So in summers, how can we forget skirts? Skirts are such a go-to for summers as it makes us feel so much comfortable and it gives us such a cute vibe. So if you're not comfortable wearing short skirts, you can surely invest in these kinds of mid-length skirts. And this dress is my personal favorite as I can feel comfortable all day wearing this dress. I will try to provide the links of everything in the description box. I have just paired my skirt with my heels and a bag and my golden hoop earrings, and I am good to go. And these dresses are very much appropriate for summers as you can feel very comfortable and you can wear these dresses all day. My skirt has a slit. If you want, you can invest in a skirt that does not have a slit, then also it will look very pretty. So for the next look, I have paired my palazzo with a plain white top and my choker. So I really love this combination of wearing a silver choker with my palazzo pants and some kolapuris, and I have paired it with my bag. This outfit is perfect for some college events, or if you want to just hang out with your friends, or if you don't want to wear ethnic, then of course you can go for this look. But yes, not all of you might be comfortable wearing sleeveless tops, so I have another option for you. You can also pair this palazzo pants with your white shirt or any kind of shirt and you will really look very perfect, very pretty. And I have kept everything same. I have just changed the shirt. So this look gives a very boho kind of vibe and I really love this look, and it gives a very Indo-ethnic kind of vibe. So on the days when you don't want to wear kurta, then of course you can try this look and it really looks very stylish. How can we forget our favorite mesh tops? These mesh tops are a go-to for every girl. I guess every girl needs to own one mesh top in their wardrobe as you can style them in many different ways. This mesh top never goes out of trend. If you wear this mesh top and you wear a jeans or a skirt, you will really look very pretty. I have paired my mesh top with my bralette, but if you are not comfortable, you can wear a long black inner and yes, you will look very stylish and very elegant. and I have paired it with my black color bag and my black sandal. You can also carry a fan bag with this look. This look is very much appropriate for a movie date or an outing with friends, and you will never go out of style. Trust me guys, without wearing short clothes also you can look very much stylish or trendy. Just don't forget to accessorize your look properly, and yes, you will look very much elegant. So for the last look, I have paired my one string top with my t-shirt. This outfit is very much appropriate for college wear. You can pair your regular one string top with a t-shirt and you are good to go. I have kept this look very much minimal. I have just added my black color sandals and a watch and some small earrings and a bag to match the look. And you can pair this look with your flared jeans and it will look really very cool. Do let me know guys which look was your favorite among all these looks. That was it for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys love this video. Do let me know in the comment section if you want me to make more such videos. I'll really love to make a part 2 of this video. Also do let me know which look you like the most among these looks, and do consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll be coming up next week again with another video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.